This section is completely corroded. Yeah, the rust is deep. We need to probe it. I'll get the scanner. Watch the sparks. Got it. Check the upper frame. Look at these breaches. Check for heat damage. Copy that. Moving to the engine pod. Careful with that edge, it's sharp. Copy that. Checking the frame. Looks like structural compromise. Check the fan blades. Got it. Hand me the wrench. Here you go. Torque is good. This section is really corroded. Apply more solution. Let's get it clean, right? Almost done with this part. Steady on that seam. Keep the heat consistent. Got it. Almost through. Looks clean from up here. Watch your step. This area is unstable. Copy that. Moving to the next row. Got it. Proceeding. Watch your step. This area is unstable. Copy that. Moving to the next row. Got it. Proceeding. Rerouting power to the main console.
Copy. Securing the auxiliary lines. Check the gauges.
Looking good.